Hi, I am Maria. You are watching Golden News Channel. Today, the 21st of August 2020. Now headlines. Russia's main opposition leader has been poisoned. Osama fears being banned from US. A USA-based American Navy SEAL takes selfie without mask in the plane. The coronavirus will kill millions by the end of 2021, Bill Gates. Apple is the first American company to have a market value of $20 billion. The world's largest 7'2" button is ready. Significant advances in technology. Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. Russia's main opposition leader, Putin, has been poisoned. Moscow report. NNI. A spokesman for opposition leader Alexei Navalny has been accused of poisoning Russian opposition leader Alexander Navalny, according to a British broadcaster. In a statement released on Twitter, a spokesman for the opposition leader said that Alexei Navalny, a leading opposition leader in the anti-corruption campaign in Russia, had lost his flight during an emergency flight landing made. Osama fears being banned from US. A USA-based American Navy SEAL takes selfie without mask in the plane. Robert O'Neill, a 44-year-old American Navy salesman who killed al-Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden, was found to be too expensive to upload to the website of the social media site without a mask, and the airline is afraid of being banned. Robert O'Neill, the anti-mask man, shared a picture of himself sitting in the plane during his air trip and wrote, "I will not wear a mask because I am not stupid." American airline Delta has said it is aware of the matter, and Robert O'Neill has seriously violated the policy and may be banned from flying from Delta Airlines in the future. The picture was deleted from Robert O'Neill's account after criticism, but Robert O'Neill rewrote, "I didn't delete the picture, but my wife has deleted the post." The coronavirus will kill millions by the end of 2021, Bill Gates. Microsoft founder Bill Gates has said that by the end of 2021, millions of people will die when the coronavirus is eliminated. In an interview, Bill Gates said that millions of people will die not only from the coronavirus but also from the non-standard health system and fear. Besides all these things, political factors dominate all these matters, and the economic crisis is also a major factor, Bill Gates said. Bill Gates said the vaccine will be out by the end of 2021, but the coronavirus will still have significant effects. Apple is the first American company to have a market value of $20 billion. Apple Inc. is the first public-based company to have a value of $20 billion in the stock market. According to international media, the coronavirus in all regions in the quarter to the end of June has only increased Apple's revenue despite the devastation suffered by the world's largest economies. The iPhone maker Apple has also left Saudi company Aramco as the world's most valuable company, with a 57% increase in value in 2020. It also shows investor confidence in the company. Apple has now started focusing on providing services to users from sales. Amazon, Microsoft and Google owners Alphabet all have a market value of $10,000, while the total value of major American high-tech companies is $60 billion. The world's largest 7'2" button is ready. The world's largest 7'2" button has been developed. According to details, members of the Dorset Women's Institute have set a world record by making the world's largest button from wool. Due to the cancellation of Craft Day due to the coronavirus in February this year, 6 members of the institute decided to create the world's largest button. It took them 8 weeks to make this button. The size of this button is 7 feet 2 inches and it has been confirmed by Guinness Book of World Records. Significant advances in technology. Aviation without fuel. The Pentagon's Advanced Research Organization, DRAPA, has announced a competition under the Vulture program, which will develop aircraft that will run without refueling. According to the company, these will be unmanned communications and surveillance aircraft, which will continue to fly above the target and transmit information without interruption. The first entry in this competition has been made by a ship named Odysseus, and its Z-arranged wings have solar cells installed which will work day and night by getting power from sunlight. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.